We have an unboxing to do, and Kevin has a story behind it. And it's not my fault.
It is your fault.
Nope.
You did not remind me. You didn't.
I thought he canceled.
No, I just kept saying I didn't want any. So we ended up getting chef's plate. And not just a chef's plate.
Oh, HelloFresh as well.
HelloFresh as well.
Not sponsored.
Yeah.
So, anyway, we're going to unbox it, show you what we're going to have, and there's going to be some meals going on his show. Well, they'll see the first meal tomorrow before they'll see this unboxing show. But that's okay.
Yeah. Alrighty. Ooh. I just kind of rammed it all in there.
Might have got mixed up in the truck or something. Might have fallen over or something.
No, not the way that...
Oh.
Scan QR code and select your recipes. Code will automatically be applied, huh? Whatever. Okay. Oh, what did we get?
Well, if anybody would like to try this, anybody in Canada, we can send you these coupons. I'll gladly send them out.
Well, is that what it's for, to send people?
Yeah.
Get a free box up to 115 across your first 3 boxes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, anybody in Canada, we will send you these.
All right.
Contact us.
First one, Thai beef bowl.
Oh, that looks so good. And I love stuff like that.
Yeah. Maple bacon and applewood potatoes.
My eggs got to be cooked better than that.
You don't like them sunny side up? Turkey enchilada bake with sweet peppers and ancho sour cream.
Yum, yum, yum. That looks yums too. Yep. Yum, yum, yums.
Yeah. Alright, let me get the box. That is for maple and applewood potatoes. That's for the Thai. And that's for the enchiladas.
Yum, yum, yum.
And here we go. Alright, there's the minced turkey. Some cheddar cheese. Some bacon. Oh, those will be the eggs.
Oh, isn't that a cute egg carton?
Yep.
It's childproof.
Garlic. The other egg. Yeah.
And this one is the
And
chef's
there's-
plate meals. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
And the lean ground beef. Alright.
And it comes with ice packs and stuff, doesn't it?
Yeah, but they're not, you know, they're just, it's water and ice.
Yeah.
It's not. Box will keep.
All right. So I've got 3 coupons. Anybody in Canada, contact us, and we will get 1 coupon per person. We'll get them out 3
Sour
people.
cream. Okay, I need to move this stuff over here. Can you move that stuff, please?
All right. HelloFresh.
Funny, because if everybody doesn't know, HelloFresh owns Chef's Plate.
Sister companies.
It's
Yeah.
sister company. Yeah. Alrighty, let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got some more.
Oh, okay. So we've got 3 coupons for HelloFresh. So anybody in Canada, we will mail these out. So 3 people.
Alright. Almond crusted chicken. We already know who we're making that for because we do not like
Sweet potatoes.
sweet potatoes.
So that meal's going to be cooked for Len and Dorothy.
Yeah. Italian sheet pan pork chop.
Oh, that looks good. Mm-hmm.
And cheesy beef and potato bowls.
Yum.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
You have to look at the dates on this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so that is for the cheesy beef and potato bowls. I'm not opening them up.
No.
Sorry. Italian sheet pan pork chops.
Yum. You just lost your head.
Garlic. Yeah. Okay. Chicken. Best before 17th. So,
We're good. Yeah.
yeah. Let's see. Pork loins. Best before 17th. At least these ones have a good date on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the beef. Best before November 24th.
Cool.
Yeah, and then the ice pack. So that's it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put them over here.
So 3 of our friends in Canada. I'll mail out you each 1 coupon for Plate Chef.
For Chef's Plate.
And then I have 3 coupons for 3 individuals in Canada that would like a HelloFresh coupon. Comment down below and then we'll contact and everything and mail those out.
Yeah.
All right.
Well. All right, what?
You're not
Oh,
gonna say
well, bye.
All right. Bye-bye.